record a video by this glasses camera. First, you need to insert a micro SD card here, and then you turn on the camera via this button for 3 seconds. You get a blue light, and then if you want to take a video, press this button for 3 seconds. Okay, and then the blue light is flash. It means that it's recording the video. Turn off. Press this button again. Don't delay, just press it. The blue light is stopped flashing, and now your video is saved in this camera. And if you want to take photo, and this button again, just press it, do not delay. Blue light will flash one time. 1 photo, 2 photo, 3 photo. Okay, now you can connect the camera to computer, but first you need to turn off the blue light, turn off the camera. This button, 3 seconds.